Uh, Kim can still retain 100%. If she retains 100% and decides to fit 50% of just the shoe line with me, and then she decides to design something else on her own, that's fine. But as far as the shoe, 60 million is just a number. The real goal is, 50%, 50-50 partnership, and then be able to manufacture and distribute up to 400 million sneakers worldwide. And so, if Adidas, quote unquote, won't be able to fulfill that number, then turn the $120 million property into a manufacturing and distribution hub for Skims sneakers. So, after the property is used, after the $400 million, after the demand and popularity, like I said, 400 million sneakers worldwide. If I can reach the goal of selling 400 million sneakers after that process, after employing people, um, you know, they'll be paid, um, and then eventually, probably has, mini sneaker stores in the mall that those people can go run, and by then we'll probably be bought out. Sneaker company would probably buy us out, or probably be working with a big time sneaker company by then, or a sneaker company would be manufacturing and producing it, and that'll take the load off of making 400 million sneakers. So 400 million sneakers, mostly girls, um, 200 million kids sneakers, um, 100 million women's sneakers, and 100 million male sneakers, special edition, limited edition designs after the first 300 million of kids and women's sneakers, or 150 kids sneakers, 150 million kids sneakers, 150 million women's sneakers, 100 million special limited edition male sneakers, all crafted, designed by me, suede, mesh, leather, insoles, cushion technology, springs on the bottom technology, uh, leather support, mesh comfort for stretching, for wide feet, and cross trainer, walker, runner, hiking type of shoes with a grip on the bottom of the shoes for support, just in case people decide that they want to work so that they don't slip on the ground, or when their kids are running, they don't slip and fall. So it's definitely a shoe that has a lot of design to it. And again, the options with Kanye West and Adidas on the table is still there. I'm not gonna sit here and neglect it. But I'm not gonna run to Kanye and say I need Adidas to make your ex-wife her shoe. He should have done that, right? So I beat him to designing Kim Kardashian's first shoe. Kanye decides to create a Kim K Skims special edition Yeezy, or if he lies and says he already has a special edition and he shows her a shoe that he created that he never put out and says this is her shoe and lied to her and say he was going to do it, blah 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 blah. You know, it's only fair if she decides to use my design, my concept, my idea of the cross trainer, of the cushion technology, the insoles, the mesh, the leather, the suede, for her shoe, um, without having to, have it designed by Yeezy. So if she decides to go that route with my design and my concept, and then pitch it to Kanye, but it's still my shoe, it's not his shoe that he designed for her. If it's my shoe design, my concept, my idea, my cross trainer, the suede, the mesh, the leather, the cushion technology, the insoles, the slippery prevention bottom, then I would like to, talk about, $60 million, a number out there that I would like to make, and then, 50% ownership with that. She keeps 100% of the royalties. I get 50% ownership. So,